Hello students, today we are going to begin our next chapter. This is exponents and powers. This is the first part and also the introduction part. Today's topic is introduction and laws of exponents. Students, you come across this type of expression in this chapter. This expression is called powers, where 10 is called the base and 2 is its exponent. Students, 10 raised to power 2, we call this expression 10 raised to the power 2. Okay, and this expression is solved like this. 10 raised to power 2 means the base has to be multiplied by itself 2 times. So 10 into 10 gives you 100. In this chapter there are some basic formula type things. So this is called the laws of exponents. Without learning these things, you cannot solve the chapter. Our first law is when the bases are same and they are being multiplied, then their powers will be added. When the same bases are divided, their powers are subtracted. But when the bases are not same, but their powers are same, then the bases are multiplied and the powers is taken as common. Next is whenever any base has a negative power, then the base is reciprocal and this negative sign changes into positive. Next law is that whenever any base has a power and there is a power over this power, then both the powers are multiplied. Last is whenever any base has a 0 power, its value is 1. Okay, so now let us have some application of these laws. Using first law, that when the bases are same and they are being multiplied, then the powers will be added. So suppose I have 3 as base, 2 as power, second base is 3 and 1 is the power. Then according to this law, the powers will be added. So 2 plus 1 gives you 3. So 3 cube gives you 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. According to the second law, when the bases are same and they are being divided, then the powers will be subtracted. Suppose I am taking a 5 as the base on both sides. Here is 5 and this is 3. Then the law states that the base should be taken common and power will be subtracted. So 5 raised to power 5 minus 3 gives you 5 square, and that is 5 into 5 gives you 25. And third law states that when the bases are different but the power are same. Suppose first base is 3 and second base is 5, and I am taking here the same powers. Then this law states that the bases will be multiplied, means A into B gives you AB, and the power will be taken as common. So 3 into 5 raised to power 2. So 3 5 is 15, and the square of 15 gives you 225. Okay. Now fourth law states that whenever any base has a negative power, first thing that we have to do is to reciprocal the base. So we have reciprocal the base, and now our power is positive. So let us have an example. I have taken 8 as the base and minus 2 as the power. So 8 will be taken as 1 upon 8, and this negative 2 will be a positive 2. So 1 upon 8 into 8 gives you 1 upon 64. Our fifth law is that whenever any base has a power and one more power over that, then it is solved like this. Suppose I have 2 as base and its power is 3, and there is one more power 2. Then this law states that base will be taken as common and power will be multiplied. So 2 raised to power 3 into 2 gives you 6, and its value is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 6 times. Okay. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64 is the clear answer. And our next and last law states that whenever any base has a power 0, its value is 1. Suppose I have minus 7 as base and its power is 0, its value will be clearly 1. Okay. So once again, students, always try to remember these laws. These are the basic laws that you have to remember. A raised to power m into a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. Next, a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n gives you a raised to power m minus n. A raised to power m multiplied by b raised to power m gives you ab raised to power m. A raised to power minus m gives you 1 upon a raised to power m. A raised to power m and over that power n gives you a raised to power mn. and a raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So this was the chapter introduction, and when you will learn all these laws and practice these laws, we can solve the further questions. Thank you.